I'm back out here with the SG1603 /UDI-RC, which both of them are the same trucks. I don't know if y'all recall, probably about 3 months ago, I believe it was, my son crashed this truck into the Hiboxin sand rail buggy, and it damaged the C-hub and also the outdrive cup. And with the outdrive cup, you can't just buy the outdrive cup because it actually comes attached to the differential. So I had to end up buying the whole front differential for this truck just for the cup. And like I said, I had to replace the C-hub because it had those tabs on there where the arms connect to. So I'm bringing it out here today just to test it. Like I said, I had to wait about one part. I got it within probably about 2 or 3 weeks, and then the other one I got about a month and a week. So, but now they're here. Now I'm just gonna make sure everything works, and one thing I did do, and I actually suggest this, those diffs, although the diffs are plastic gears and all that, plastic housing, but still they put very little grease in the diff housing for those gears and all that, so, and also in the diff. So I actually added a little more grease in the diff, and it should help it perform a little bit better and last a little bit longer. I know now they have the brushless version out now, and they also got the brushless kit that you can buy to put in your brush one if you want to. But like I said, this thing is pretty fast enough as brushed. I mean, especially just using it just like this as a little fun little pavement basher. You want to just do some drifting, and I see now where WL Toys, they have a truck similar to this, but it's actually just smaller. It's a 1/28 scale, I believe it is. I think that's correct. I think it's 28 scale or 24 scale, but I know it's smaller than this. I know this is a 16 scale. Like I said, this thing is pretty quick for a little brush truck, and that's why I say, that brushless, you really don't need it unless you just want to do overkill. But to be honest with you, like I said, all these gears are plastic in the diffs, and like I said, your pinion and spur. So, and it's not that hard plastic like, you know, the black hard plastic. It's actually that white, not so strong plastic. So I just say, go brushless at your own risk. Now, the replacement parts for this truck are not expensive. It's just the fact that you got to order and wait on them. But other than that, that's it. You know, that Hiboxin sand rail truck buggy that I put a brushless system in it, it finally stripped the gears. So I ordered the gears for it, so now I'm just waiting on those to come so I can replace those gears and get it back out here. And I put I think that's a 4300 kV brushless motor I put in that a boxing sand rail buggy. And to be honest with you, it's really no more faster than this SG1603. I mean, it's a little bit fast, but not by a whole lot. I mean, this SG truck can keep up with it, that's for sure. So I would have brought the cones out and did some drifting moves, but I guess it's just fine enough. I just wanted to make sure everything was working like it was at first, and I think we're good. Kicking up rocks with the front splitter. I actually thought about putting some different road wheels on here, but like I said, these are fine just for what they're made for. Really, and that's really, you still can do some drifting with it. I've never used the drift wheels that came with this truck. I've always used the rubber, and like I said, to me, they actually perform well. Now I will say about this SG, it doesn't have a good range on the radio, so I got out there and it started doing some stuff by itself. And this little battery actually lasts a nice little time. I actually have a second battery, but like I said, this little battery by itself that comes with it, the stock battery, it doesn't do bad for this truck. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. I just wanted to get out here and test this out, make sure all the parts that I replaced was working fine, making sure the diff was doing what it's supposed to do, and looked like everything is working fine. So alright guys, that's the end of this video. If you all like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And until next time, y'all be safe, and we'll see you all on the next one.